Hi. So you would have previously seen the other really cool features of our app called the prediction and analysis features. And now I would like to introduce you to our um, other feature that we thought of, which is the coronavirus detector. And in this feature, we use the ArcGIS S3 API to get the information about all the coronavirus cases. In our case, we just gave it like a country, US, and so we get all the cases from the US. And so the cool thing about this API is that it updates the coronavirus cases in real time, like very often. And so every time we query that information, it is really live and it is like really happening in the world. So we're getting the live information. And so we can, so our app would get like take the user location, which is the user geometry in the code, and it would use that to like compare that location with all the other locations of the coronavirus in the US, and it would find the minimum distance between the user and the coronavirus, and it would like tell the user that hey, the nearest coronavirus case near you is like X miles away. So in that case, the user would know that, hey, yeah, there is a coronavirus case near me. And if the coronavirus, like the case distance is less than 50 miles, it would like just notify you that or tell you that, hey, you might be at risk. It's like really low. And so right now we're just taking the user location manually because we tried really hard and we couldn't fit in like getting the live user location in the given amount of time. But yeah, it's we could have like in the future we could integrate that into the app. And another thing, another cool feature that we could integrate into the app and which we couldn't because of the time constraint is the path planning. So we know the locations of the coronavirus cases, and we know the user's location. And if, say, for example, the user wants to go from Rochester to New York, in that case, we would plan a path which would take the user from Rochester to New York in minimum amount of time. But another constraint would be to keep a minimum distance between the user and the nearest coronavirus case. So so the user is safe. And yeah, so we could like portray the entire thing on a map and show how the user is going and like how much distance is maintained between the user and coronavirus. And this feature could be expanded to other examples as well. So for example, like any path planning problems, like maybe even on Mars, if the Mars rover Perseverance is going from location X to Y, and it wants to avoid certain things which we can see from the satellite but which it can see, so we can plan a path like using this kind of an algorithm. We haven't implemented the algorithm here, but that's a future thing that we can do. So this is our app, and you can see the output of this app like right here. Right now it's on a command prompt, but like as a later feature we could implement this on a web service. And so you see the distance between you and the nearest coronavirus is say 91 miles. So this is the information that we get. So yeah, so we think it's really cool. I hope you guys like it too. Thank you.